What's up guys, it's me Siddhant and I'm back with another video. This time in my video, I'm going to be making an aquatic ecosphere which is based off an artificial ecosphere because it doesn't have real plants or real soil or sand. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is get a cup, or you can just take the jar and fill it up with pond water or river water. And if you don't have access to a pond or a river, you could also use dechlorinators for the tap water, or even if you have like a aquarium or a pond like I do, then you can also take the water from your fish pond and you can add it into the ecosphere. And you also will need a substrate, which is the sand or the soil, which I will be also taking from my pond. So so let's take this cup and let's fill it up with water. So guys, here's my pond and here's the cup and here's the jar. So now I'm gonna be filling it up with the water, and you can see my little fishies swimming around. And that's not the only pond I have. There's one right like next to the one like here, and it has like very small newborn babies or fish fry. So these are actually guppies, if you didn't know. So here, let's fill it up with water. Excuse me. Okay, so that's perfect, 1 cup. And so this water which I'm using is actually tap water with a dechlorinator. And as you can see, it's kind of green. That's because I had all the fish medicine and dechlorinators and the water conditioner, because I have these like pet fish. And so now let's move on to the substrate. So the substrate, I'll also be taking it from there. So I'm just gonna be excusing my fishies a little bit. Hello. And I'm gonna be taking some sand with some pebbles, and I'm gonna be placing it in my jar. So we have that filled, and now let's wash our hands. Sorry, fishies. And so let's keep it right over there, and let's move on to the artificial plant which I'm going to add. So guys, I'm taking this plant right here, and it might seem a little too big for the ecosphere, but it's supposed to be big because so that like more algae can be formed on this, and so that like the ecosphere can have more greenness. And so it's not like I'm having any fishes in this, so I might need to dump a little water so that the plant can actually fit. Oops. So let's just put that plant right in. And there's the plant, and it's not fitting in. And there we go. So that's filled and it just popped out. Anyways, we'll be closing the lid, so it doesn't matter. So here's the plant, and I just missed a step, and I'm gonna be bringing that step right away. And so I just forgot a step, and I'm gonna be back in just 1 second. So I'm back, and you might be seeing this cup right here, and it has something black. Well, that's the snails. And yes, these aren't artificial, these are actual living snails. And I have 1 baby snail and 3 like adult snails. And so like I'm just gonna be putting them in here, and here's the plant. So I'm going to be emptying the water and then adding the snails. So one by one I'm going to be adding the snails, And these snails are aquatic snails, so don't worry about me putting like snails into the thing. And there's the baby right here. Here's the little baby. He's as small as the granule of sand. So now I'm just gonna be putting the last one right here. It was sticking onto my hand, and there we go. And now the final part, which I put a step before putting the snails. As you can see, those guys are moving now inside, so I'm just gonna be putting the snails, I mean the plant, and just gonna be putting it next to the snails. And here's the lid, and I'm gonna be closing it. And wow, that's a beautiful ecosphere. So now I'm just going to be showing you some close-up shots of it, and yeah, so I'll be back in a sec. So here's the final ecosphere, and to be honest, it looks quite cool. And so yeah, I'll just be having this on my desk during online classes, and to be honest, it's quite cool, because like if your parents don't allow you to have like pet fish, then you could probably just make a mini ecosphere and just get some snails from the pet shop, and they would just let you have some for free, and they would have some babies, and like just like my snails had, and then you could have many snails, and then you could upgrade into a bigger ecosphere. So it's a very cool project to do, and I highly recommend you to try it. And it's quite easy and quite beautiful also. And actually, if you do make a real ecosphere, like the one which has actual sand and actual plants, that would be more better, because it would be having like plankton and other like live snails automatically being born into the sand. So guys, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe for to my channel and like the video. And for now, see ya.